Today I'm taking a look at this job site light that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. And this is the light out of the box. It's got this really cool little handle up here on the top. It's good to be able to just grab it and hold it like this, but it's also got this little clip here where you can clip it on something. And it's got like these little grooves here so that it could sit on, like a hook or something like that. It's got a on and off switch right here. The nice rubber casing around it, keep it, more weather resistant. And then you've got another outlet here on the front if you want to plug in something else to it or maybe another light. Really nice light here. It's got LEDs all the way around it, so you're gonna get 365 degrees of really bright lights and a metal cage around it, so that way you keep from breaking it. If something accidentally hit it or it falls, looks like it's protected really well. 10 foot of cable on it also, so it stretches pretty far to an outlet. And then the bottom, oh, look at there, LEDs there on the bottom too. So you got light coming from all over the place. Let's get it plugged in, see what it looks like. All right, I just plugged it in, and I got to tell you, this thing is really bright. So here goes. I mean, the camera is definitely adjusting for its brightness. This thing not only lights up the room, but it lights it up way better than even when it's daylight. I mean, this is crazy. It's very, very bright in here. And again, before I turn it off, it has the LED lights on the bottom. So if you're hanging this thing, I mean, you're getting light everywhere. Really cool little light. I like this a lot. Easy, able to clip it, wherever you want in your shop. I mean, this thing would light up a 3-car garage with no problem. It is super bright. Very rugged, built-in clips and handle, extra outlet. I mean, everything I could even think of that I would want in a shop light. I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.